My shoes are in the cupboard. Then the mango is on the table.
Hello friends, what are you doing here?
We're trying to learn some prepositions. Preposition? That is a big word. What does it mean? Teacher Rayana?
A preposition is a word that tells about where something is or when will something happen.
Oh, like on, under, or in?
Exactly, Mahadi. You already know some prepositions.
Can we see an example?
Sure. Mahadi, where is the mango?
The mango is on the ground.
In this sentence, on is a preposition.
My toy car is under the bed. Here, under is preposition.
Exactly, Paulo. That's correct.
The old shoes are in the garbage. There, in is a preposition.
Exactly. You both are using prepositions like a pro. Now try to say some more prepositions with examples.
Oh, it's easy peasy lemon squeezy.
After, before, with, and without. For example, my brother is before him. Here, before is preposition.
Add to, into, above, over. Such as the cat jumped over the tree. Here, over is a preposition.
Great job! You all are preposition experts now.
Hurrah!